Continuing our journey on Python string function, next we look at find and replace. So let's jump over, and here we have our last program, but we will fire up idle here, maximize that, and let's get started. So let's say we have a string called, I'll give it short name, equals to, let's say it's a cat. We can find any substring within a string and replace it. So we can find, so we can say ms.find c, but this so we can find any substring within a string, and so if we search for c, it gives us the index value at which it occurs. So c is at the first position, so that index is 0. We can search the entire, so if we search for more than one letter, then it specifies where that substring starts. So a starts at the second position, and so that's why it gives me 1. So if we do .t, then it gives me 2, because that 0 1 2, that is the second index. Let's have a longer of a sentence now. So we have my sentence equals to, this is a new sentence, and we can again try to find, let's say ms dot find n, and apparently n is the 10th position, so 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, yes, indeed that is at the 10th position. Notice that it only finds the first occurrence of this search pattern that we give it. Now what we can do is, instead of just searching it, we can replace it. So of course you have to see what to search and then what to replace it with. F, this replaces every occurrence of the search pattern that we give it, so it becomes this. So if we have ms equals to cat again, we can say ms dot replace c to a b, and we get bat. Okay, notice that I replaced it, but I didn't save it to ms, so ms is still cat, and so cat has no b, so nothing was replaced. Now we get rat as we expect. So this is just search and replace functionality. So if you want a simple search and replace, this can be done. But if you want more powerful functionality, then there is something called a regular expression that lives inside the RE module. So import RE, and if you look here, you can see this is a module, and that has a lot of functionality for advanced pattern matching. I would not go into this because this is far beyond the scope of what we are trying to discuss here. But know that a very, very powerful string searching and replacement feature exists in Python by the name of regular expression. Regular expression, by the way, is a general thing, so that is a language of its own kind of, and this regular expression can be found in many programming languages including Python. So that is how you access it. If you ever need to get to it, just import RE and you can use all the regular expression features. Okay, so that is for search and replace or find and replace in Python strings.